Hello, friends. Do you know that the human body has close to trillions of microorganisms staying inside our body, which outnumber even the human cells? The number of bacterial species living in our body is more than 1,000. Many live on our skin, many promote skin health, reinforce the skin's natural barrier against bad bacteria, many balance the skin's pH and kind of protects us from many different conditions, even including skin cancer. But constant use of harsh facial cleanliness and antibacterial soaps strip your skin of healthy bacteria, which makes the skin stressed and dry, and then results in skin issues like breakouts, eczema, rosacea flares, psoriasis, and all. Dr. Rhonda Klein says the probiotics are microorganisms that are similar to the naturally acting bacteria in our gut. Numerous health benefits of naturally acting bacteria like serotonin production, nutrients production, helping in digestion. So the more good bacteria we have in our body, the more likely we are to prevent bad bacteria from taking over and causing issues like gastrointestinal symptoms, irritable bowel syndrome, which is IBS, or inflammation of the stomach. I recently found 7 natural face packs used by our grandmothers for beautiful skin, article on NDTV Food, and I'll share that. In that, one particular one is the use of yogurt and besan and haldi and honey, which is turmeric and honey together, and makes a nice face pack. And I recall that in childhood I've seen people using it, and now that the science says that the probiotics help the skin, I'm going to try that. What it does, it provides a protective shield against bad bacteria by dialing down inflammation and also prevents premature aging of the skin. Now, there is a little bit confusion over what is prebiotic and probiotic, so let's do a quick deep dive. Prebiotic is any dietary fiber which we eat, we can't digest, but that feeds the friendly bacteria in our gut. So that is prebiotics. Now, bacteria, what they do for us, repeating again, they produce nutrients for us like short chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, propionate, which improves our overall metabolic health. Now, which are the Indian prebiotics one could use in day-to-day life? Number 1, garlic, which helps bifidobacteria in our gut because garlic has got fructooligosaccharides and also inulin. Second is onion, which again has inulin and FOS, which is fructooligosaccharides, which improves gut flora to release nitric oxide, and that benefit of nitric oxide is well known. Quercetin, a compound found in onion, is known antioxidant and has anti-cancer properties. After that comes banana, but not the ripe banana, but the unripe banana, which contains resistant starch. In Bihar, we have a practice of utilizing unripe banana for making vegetable, different kind of koftas and chokha and bhujia, and also find out what are the recipes for using unripe banana in your culture. After that comes barley, used to make beer, but also contains beta glucan, which is gut friendly. And I recall in childhood, barley used to be given to people who were suffering from diarrhea. After that comes oats, which again contains beta glucans, which is a resistant kind of starch, which promotes healthy gut bacteria, lowers the low density cholesterol in the body, maintains blood sugar control, it reduces the risk of cancer, and as oats is slow in digestion, it helps control your appetite for long. After that is interesting, elephant yam. What is elephant yam? Ol in Hindi, Sudan in Marathi, which I have heard from my friends, which contains 40% glucomannan fiber, a highly viscous kind of dietary fiber which relaxes constipation, boosts immunity, lowers blood cholesterol, promotes actually weight loss. And we use it as a sabji, which is a curried vegetable with the sarson ka paste. Chutney of ol, elephant yam, is legendary in Bihar. None of the feast could be complete without using that tangy chutney, which is also fermented. Flaxseed, my favorite, is after that, which has 20 to 40% soluble fibers, mucilus gum, and 60 to 80% insoluble fiber like cellulose and lignins, which feeds the healthy gut bacteria, regulates the bowel movement of your body, and reduces the amount of dietary fat digestion as well as absorption. Phenolic oxidants found in flaxseed are also known to be anti-cancer and regulates the blood sugar levels. As we have talked earlier, flaxseed also helps you in lowering the blood pressure of the body. After that, wheat bran. So go for full wheat bran atta. Don't go for Branless atta. So branless is brainless, which is maida. So avoid maida. Now, what is probiotic? Quickly, any live beneficial bacteria yeast is known as probiotic. What they do is they fight off bad bacteria in our body, and apart from that, they give us many benefits. So our microbiota consists of many types of bacteria, fungi, including yeast, viruses, protozoa. Now, everybody's microbiome is different and unique. Even twins have different microbiomes. So, is every bacteria a probiotic? No. For a microbe to be probiotic, it has to survive in your intestine, and after being eaten, it has to have proven health benefits, and it should be safely consumed by us. Now question, where does this probiotics reside in our body? So gut, of course, पेट में तो रहते ही हैं. After that, probiotic bacteria and other organisms are found in our mouth, vagina, urinary tract, skin, and even in lung. The most common probiotic bacteria are Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, and in the yeast we have Saccharomyces boulardii. These help in conditions like if somebody is suffering from diarrhea, either infection diarrhea or antibiotic-induced diarrhea, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, yeast infection, urinary tract infection, gum diseases, lactose intolerance, eczema, atopic dermatitis, which is also upper respiratory tract infection, especially the ear infections and common cold and sinusitis, sepsis in kids, and psoriasis. Okay, finally, which are the Indian probiotic foods? So quick turnaround and quick check. Number 1, dahi. Number 2, idli, fermented rice and urad dal. Number 3, paneer. Number 4, akhuni, fermented soya paste from Nagaland. Very pungent, very selective. Not everybody can take that. Miso, which is fermented soya paste. Fantastic. Green peas. Anybody can use that in pasta, khana, whichever way you want it. Kimchi, the Korean salad, which is fermented cabbage. Pickles, and pickle, not any other pickle, but pickle which are fermented. And I can't forget but remember my dadi and mamma's recipe of barobar, wherein we mix garlic, ginger, elephant yam, mirchi, green chilies, and lots of sarson ka tel, which is mustard oil, and that then it's kept in sunlight and also shades, and a couple of days later you have fermented, tangy, spicy barobar achar ready for you. After that comes buttermilk. Fantastic. Kachi beer, use that. And so these were some of the pre and probiotic food which we could use in our day-to-day life to improve not only our skin health, gut health, but overall health and immunity. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Here is Indie Masala signing off for today. Indie Masala, more life every day. See you in the next one. Bye.